When Alex was a teenager, he had a big dream. He wanted to become a successful engineer and create useful technology that could help people. However, life was not always easy for him. His family did not have much money, and he often had to study with old books and a slow computer. Sometimes he felt discouraged when he saw other students with better resources. Even though the situation was difficult, Alex refused to give up. Every morning, he woke up early to study before school. In the evenings, he spent hours reading books, watching educational videos, and practicing new skills. Many of his friends preferred to spend their free time playing games or watching television. Alex enjoyed those activities too, but he always remembered his goal. He knew that success required discipline and patience. At school, he did not always get the best grades. Sometimes he failed tests and made mistakes. There were days when he felt frustrated and wondered if his dream was too big. But instead of quitting, he used every failure as a lesson. He reviewed his mistakes, worked harder, and kept improving. Years passed, and Alex continued learning. He attended university and studied engineering. The classes were challenging, and there were times when he barely slept because he was working on projects and preparing for exams. Despite the challenges, he stayed focused. He believed that every small step was bringing him closer to his dream. After graduation, Alex applied for many jobs. Some companies rejected him. Others never replied to his applications. It was disappointing, but he did not stop trying. Finally, one company offered him a position as a junior engineer. Alex was excited and grateful for the opportunity. He worked hard every day, learned from experienced colleagues, and continued developing his skills. Over time, he became one of the most respected employees in the company. Several years later, Alex led a team that created a new product that helped thousands of people. His dream had finally become a reality. One day, a young student asked him, "What is the secret to success?" Alex smiled and replied, "There is no secret. Dream big, work hard, learn from your mistakes, and never give up." The student thanked him and felt inspired. Alex realized that his greatest achievement was not becoming successful. His greatest achievement was learning to keep going when life became difficult. And that lesson stayed with him forever.